In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract a working trial balance from QuickBooks Online. This process is quick and easy, and within just a few minutes, you'll have all the information you need right at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're on the page, look towards the upper right corner where you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to enter your QuickBooks credentials. If you already have an account, simply type in your username and password. If you happen to have forgotten your details, there are options to recover them, so don't worry. After you've entered your credentials, click Continue to access your account. Now that you're in, it's time to locate the Reports section. You can find Reports on the left sidebar. It's a very handy tool as it offers a comprehensive view of your company's financials. With a single click, you're taken to a new page that displays various reports that QuickBooks can generate. Once you're in the Reports section, it's time to get specific. In the search bar at the top, type in Trial Balance. This action pulls up all related reports. The Trial Balance report is especially useful since it provides a snapshot of your balances at a particular point in time. Once it appears in the list, select it by clicking on it. Upon clicking on the Trial Balance, you will see the full report display on your screen. This is the crucial information you need to extract. But before you do, take a moment to review the report and make sure everything looks correct. Double check the dates to ensure you're looking at the right data period. Now that everything seems good to go, look to the right side of the screen where you'll notice an export icon. Click on it to start the exporting process. Clicking this icon will present you with different options for exporting your trial balance. Typically, QuickBooks allows exporting either as an Excel file or a PDF. Decide which format suits your needs best. Files exported as Excel are beneficial if you require flexibility with the data, whereas PDFs are excellent for printing and sharing online, as they generally maintain their formatting. Select your preferred option. And there you have it. It's that simple to extract a working trial balance from QuickBooks Online. Now you can use these insights to help manage your financials or share them with your team. Thanks for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.